Right, so if you want to use the lift, right, so this is the staircase, right, so digital Penang. So if you walk in here, this is the staircase. If you want to use the lift, right, you must use this, okay, which is PSC, Penang Science Cluster. So if you want to use the lift, you must walk inside to this entrance, right beside digital Penang. Okay, you see PSC, right, Penang Science Cluster, you have to walk in here. Okay, so we're going to walk in here to find the lift. So let me show you how to go to the lift there. So we have to walk through to the door there, see? Alright, so we're going to just push this and make sure you close the door. Close it back. Alright, so we're going to walk. So from here, we walk here. Okay, so there is a gate here. So you walk inside here. Okay, so this is the lift. Alright, so this is the lift. Just press up. Okay, so let's go in. Alright, so you have 1, 2, 3, press 3. You can press it over here, it's okay. Come here. We're going to open this gate. Okay, by the way, this is the lift, right? So you come out over here. Okay, open the gate. That is where you can go to the toilet. Okay, so there's a toilet over there. Okay, let me show you where is the training place. Just open it. This will be our training room. Okay, so this is the place we're going to set up on Friday. Alright, it's a big place. Okay, so we haven't set up the tables yet. Okay, alright, so I'm going to see you guys soon offline here. So we're going to prepare the food here. So it's a registration table here, you're going to register. And then this is some hot water, cold water. You can also prepare your coffee. You're going to put some coffee packs here. Okay, you can use the cups and make sure you remember to wash the cups after use. Okay.
Alright, now if you want to look for a parking place, okay, you can find these numbers over here. So first one, you can see this is a Tanjung City Marina car park. Now if this is closed, then you can go for the second option, the third, fourth and fifth. Otherwise, you can actually park just right somewhere here. If there are some space, you can park here, you can park here or behind here. Okay, you can see if somewhere at the back here, if there's any parking space for you. Alright, so it's just some walking distance a little bit. Okay, you can park somewhere here. So this is where the CMB Bank, Allianz, if not mistaken, there's RHB Bank over here. So you can park somewhere here, you can walk onto this place here. Okay, so we are here. Alright, so I believe you have the video. You can watch the video and find how you can actually get to the third floor. Alright, so that's all for this video. I hope to see you on this coming offline live training session. So take care, stay safe, and I will see you soon.